Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you will be fine. May Allah bless you in these beautiful videos. I hope you will like this. Ideas are very different, unique, new designs and different ideas. So the Queen Camilla dressing outfits ideas. So I hope you will like this. All my best and very pretty and unique collections. So friends, I hope you will like this all amazing new designs and different dresses collections and different some outfits for crowns, tiaras, jewelries and other very pretty. So I hope you will like this idea. So keep watching is our channel for new designs and reference collections. So friends, I hope you will like it. I hope you will like these ideas. Keep watching is our channels and starting to end all this my best and very pretty and unique new designs dresses and very beautiful and unique new stylish ideas. So friends, this Queen's Camilla dresses ideas and I hope you will like this all amazing and different updates collections. So I hope you will like these ideas are very different or stunning. So keep watching all the designs and different outfits collections is start our channel. So friends, inshallah I can show you more stunning and different ideas are very pretty and these ideas are very different or most latest. Inshallah friends, I can share you with different and unique new designs. And friends, okay, I hope you will like these ideas. And different collection. So I hope you will like it, this beautiful, unique and unique designs, and hope you will like it. All this best and very pretty and unique new designs and ideas. So friends, it's Princess and Queen Camilla dresses and some outfits, collections, ideas. Hope you will like it. So keep enjoying my and different dresses. I hope you will like and unique and different unique new stylish ideas. Hope you will like and unique new designs and very interested very beautiful collection. So let's see all the beautiful and inshallah unique and different unique new designs ideas. So beautiful and unique and different ideas. So best of friends, let's see all the next beautiful videos is that our channel. So keep amazing and different and unique new designs and very pretty. And hope you will like these ideas and different collections. So keep watching is our channel. Let's starting to end. Allah Hafiz.